In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slide in PowerPoint and change its layout, making your presentations more dynamic and engaging. Whether you're a student preparing a class report or a professional working on a project pitch, these tips will ensure your slides have the impact you need. To get started, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have it installed, you can find it in your Applications or Programs folder. Once open, move to the PowerPoint presentation you are working on. It's always helpful to save any new changes frequently to avoid losing your work unexpectedly. Now, let's add a new slide. Head over to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This tab is your go-to for adding new elements to your presentation, from slides to media files and more. Right there in the Insert tab, you'll find the New Slide button. Clicking on New Slide will give you several options, and for today we are going to select Blank. This option gives you a clean slate, perfect for you to customize as you see fit. Once you have your new blank slide, it's time to give it some style. Navigate over to the Design tab. The Design tab holds various themes and styles that can be applied to your slides, giving your presentation a cohesive and professional look. Here, look out for the Theme drop-down menu. Clicking on this drop-down will reveal a selection of well-designed themes that can easily be applied to your slide. Don't be overwhelmed by the choices. Each theme presents a unique set of colors, fonts, and background styles. These themes make it easy to inject personality and creativity into your presentation without needing to design everything from scratch. Browse through the available options and choose a theme that best fits the mood and message of your presentation. A small tip here, consider the tones and hues of your chosen theme and how they might appear when projected. Sometimes what looks pleasant on your computer may appear differently on a projector, so opting for high contrast and legible fonts is always a good practice. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a new slide and selected a theme to complement your presentation. Feel free to explore further by adjusting different settings within the theme to truly make it your own. Keep practicing these steps to enhance your skill and fluency with PowerPoint, and soon enough creating visually appealing presentations will become second nature. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials and join us in mastering these valuable tools to enhance communication and presentation skills. Thank you for tuning in and happy presenting.